90% of Shopify sellers cannot survive within 90 days. It's not that the product is bad. Huge amounts of sellers failed because nobody ever finds them. That means you need to drive traffic to your Shopify store if you want to sustain in the long run. But the question is how? Today, I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to your Shopify store. Also, I'm gonna share beginner-friendly strategies that are also very powerful. So let's start. In this video, you will learn optimize your Shopify store fast, make it professional and conversion ready. Get crystal clear on your target audience. Drive traffic using these strategies: influencer marketing, content marketing, email, ads and SEO. Monitor your data and tweak what's not working. Stay positive. Every big online store started small. Okay, first, let me ask you a question. Is your Shopify store ready? Have you looked at your product pages? Are they optimized? Because if they are not, everything we are about to discuss is pointless. So, checkpoint number 1, fix your store. We'll come back to it. Now, second thing, who is your customers? You need to specify your targeted traffic because that's your main goal. So, targeted traffic basically means getting your specific target audience to visit your store, not just random visitors. To give you an example, if you are selling kitchen products, your audience should be who spend time cooking. From there, you narrow it down based on your brand and store positioning. Ask yourself a few questions. Am I selling men, women, or both? What age group actually buys these products? Under 18, over 30, or somewhere in between? What kind of lifestyle do they live? What else they are interested in besides cooking? And most importantly, where they are located. When you answer these questions clearly, your target audiences stops being everyone and starts being someone specific. And that's when your marketing actually works. Optimizing your Shopify store. Before you start driving traffic, your store has to be ready. That means professional, error-free, and with product pages that are optimized to convert. Think of it as your first checkpoint. Traffic alone won't turn into sales if your store looks sloppy or incomplete. If you're not sure how to optimize your store, we Ecomclips can help with that. Just email us at info@ecomclips.com. Also, we have videos on that to check out on our YouTube channel. I will give you that link in the description. For most of you, optimizing your store is exactly what you need before pushing traffic. Once that's done, here are 5 proven ways to drive traffic to your Shopify store. The first strategy is influencer marketing. And here is why it works so well. Number 1, you don't need to build an audience yourself. It can be budget friendly. It can deliver result fast. It comes up with built-in trust and authority. So yeah, it's usually very effective. But what exactly is influencer marketing? It's simple. You, the store owner, pay someone on social media to show your products to their followers. You find a creator whose audience matches your target customers, strike a deal and let them feature your product. That works fast because audience is already there and creator has done the hard work building the content, trust and engagement. Your job is to just find the right creators willing to showcase your products. Traffic, instant, but authority already built. Conversion potential is so high. Strategy number 2, content marketing. This is a completely free method and something I recommend no matter your budget. So what is content marketing? It's about growing your social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, by posting content constantly. Because videos, images, carousels, anything that engages your audience, yes, it takes time, but done right, it works. Here is why it's so powerful. A strong following gives you brand authority. Your audience trusts you. One viral video can reach thousands. hundreds of thousands or even millions of people. Smart call to action turn the attention into traffic straight to your Shopify store. You don't need money, just creativity. Alright, so how to start that? Check out your competitors, see what works, take notes and break down their formulas. Number 2, create content. Photos, videos, UGC approved. UGC feels organic and converts really well. Post both on your own account and if budget allows, collaborate with creators for influencers style post. You can even use AI to speed it up or hire creators on platforms or go fully do it yourself. Get on camera yourself, practice and scale. It takes time, but it's often the most profitable routes. Strategy number 3, email marketing. Email marketing is absolutely essential, especially for driving returning traffic. Here is why it works. Number 1, get a repeat customers. Number 2, you can reach visitors who haven't bought anything yet. Here is how to do it. Use an email marketing platform like Omnisend, though it's not sponsored. Set up and pop-up offering a discount in exchange for an email address. Once you have their email, create automated workflows to drive traffic back to your store. Email marketing is cost-effective, personal, and direct. You show up in their inbox, not just in crowded feed. Set it up once and it keeps working long term. Tutorials and setup links are below. Strategy number 4, paid ads. If you have a budget and want faster results, ads are your best friend. You can run ads on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Google Search, Google Shopping, and Snapchat as well. TikTok ads are easier to start and often comes with smarter rewards. But here is the catch. You need strong ad creatives. Test different videos, angles, and offer until you find a winner. Once you do, scale and optimize. It can turn $100 into $1,000. Step-by-step TikTok ads tutorials are linked below. Strategy number 5, SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is a free but takes time. Done right, it can drive massive sales with zero ad spend. Here is how it works. Add the right keyword to product titles, descriptions, and alt text, meta text, URLs, and file names. Here is an optional tip. Create a blog on your Shopify store to improve ranking. So that's all for today. I think if you apply these things, your traffic will increase. Basically, your website traffic will increase. And if you need more help, mail us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. We'll see you there. See you in the next episode. Peace.